What's up, guys? This is the day after Thanksgiving. That the market's only open from 9:30 to 1, and it's 12:17 right now. So I'm just done for the day. I took 2 trades, Tesla and NVDA. I had one winner, one loser. Tesla was my winner, so I'm going to go over that first. So really early entry first off, so I guess I had another loser. This really didn't help out my average. I'm up $15 today, so it should have been more if I didn't make this stupid decision. And I knew it was a stupid decision right away because right when I bought it, I knew it was stupid because my new plan, what I'm working on, is only buying or selling when it can hold. If it breaks the trend, I need it to hold that EMA, that 20 EMA or 9 EMA or whatever, and I didn't do that. This is my first trade. I actually had just gotten up too, and I'm about to go take a nap before I gotta go to work because I got a really long day tomorrow and I got a pretty average shift tonight, which is anyways. So yeah, this entry right here, this was stupid because it put me down a little bit right off the back, just off a stupid entry, stupid mistake, and I got out right away. It washed, and I was like, fuck, I knew I fucked up. And then it came back up, and right here, and I just knew, like, you know, that's not the entry I want. I'm gonna get out and take this small loss, and I'm just gonna take that. And then, because what I was looking for was you know, I was watching this. I drew this trend line, and I was watching for it to break to hold this EMA trend and have I was just gonna wait for it to hold the EMA, and it was kind of like hovering around the EMAs. It broke the trend, and it was on this new trend right here as it was going up, and it was following that trend. And so I was just waiting for it to give me a solid signal that I wasn't going to go in right here on this candle. Like, I could have gone in right here, but this candle was bought down, and I didn't want to jump in on that. And that was a good decision too, because it just came down, but it still rode the trend. And then on this candle right here, I was like, okay, this should be it. And I got in on the next candle over, because on this candle right here, it holds. It finally comes up and holds the EMAs, and so I got in on the one after, and my targets were what, around right here on this resistance line. That's where my targets were, or no, not this one. This one, that's where I bought it. This one, right here. I was looking to hopefully to get something around this area, or come up to this double top, and it didn't do that. It actually came down. I missed my chance actually, because I could have gotten profits right here, but it happened so quick and I missed it. And then I looked at the bigger picture, and it looked like a head and shoulders was forming, especially on the 2-minute chart. So I took my profits, I took some profits, well over half on this one, and it came up, and then it broke the trend, and I took more profits, which was right here, which was, let me zoom in more so you can see it. I took the rest of my shares out right there on that red circle, which was a great spot to take out because right away it washed. And I only took it out because it was breaking trend. It was coming down trend. It didn't look like it wanted to go any further. And then also the head and shoulders pattern on the 2-minute chart. So yeah, I got it right there, and that saved me some money too. And that was my winning trade. And NVDA, I was looking at this double top it was forming as it was coming up this trend line. So I was hoping that it would make this double top and break the trend and hold the EMAs, which it kind of did. I could have got in right there as it held, or I wanted to see it hold, and then I wanted to see what it was going to do after it held, and it hammered down after it held. So I thought that was going to be a good entry, and I really did think this was a good entry. But right away, it kind of stabbed me in the back and faked me out, because I had two different trends set right here. I had this one connecting these, connecting this to this higher low, and going up, and I watched it break that. And I had these connecting with all of these higher lows, and it broke that. And so when it broke and held the EMAs, and I saw that hammer candle, I thought this should be a good entry, and it kind of just it flopped on me, and I got out as soon as possible, as soon as I could, because this thing just shot up. When I got in right here and it came up, I was hoping it would just get hammered back down, and like this candle before it, and then right away it just, the next candle came up and it went shoom, and it went all the way up here, and I was like, fuck, okay, I gotta get out, and I took that loss. And so yeah, I finished for plus 15 today, so I basically broke even. If I was trading on the TS, this would probably just be a break-even day, or maybe a little less depending on all the shares. I probably would have lost a little bit of money, so not the best day, but I don't really hate the two trades I took. I didn't overtrade. That's one thing I'm working on, is not overtrading. And Tesla, forget this trade. That was stupid of me. That was right when I got up, and I was being stupid. Definitely have more time to trade later. I'm not at this job, but so yeah, I got in here, and I would have overtraded. I would have taken profits like right here, and then I would have like added, and then on this thing, and then I would have taken more profits right here. But yeah, that's just the overtrading. I'm trying to stop. I'm trying to, I'm trying to get in, take profits on one spot where I think I need to take profits, which I did, and then get all out on another spot if I can't find a good place to actually have a significant add. But yeah, so that's today. Break even basically. Plus 15 on paper trading. It would probably be a little bit of loss on TS. So yeah, everyone have a good day.